Hello, my name is Sandy Sickert, and I want to tell you about Integrative Wellness Options Clinic. It's true, some of us take better care of our cars than we do of our bodies. When your car tells you you are in need of a new oil filter or new spark plugs, which of us don't take care of it? Similarly, your body also talks to you when it needs something. Do you find yourself more tired, sore, not sleeping well, perhaps with less energy than you used to have? Do you have PMS? Do you have major health care concerns? These symptoms are ways our bodies communicate to us. If we don't listen, over time they can become worse. What I do is analyze your body's energies. We all have them. That's why pacemakers and MRIs work. This practice is called energy kinesiology. It is also referred to as energy medicine. Dr. Mehmet Oz, one of the most respected surgeons in the U.S., a regular guest on Oprah, states the next big frontier is energy medicine. If your body is speaking, let us help you figure out what it's saying and respond with what it needs. For more on how these techniques work, please see my website at www.pakinesiology.com or give me a call at 814-460-2509. Thank you.